everyone. Today we are going to see chapter English chapter 1.2 odd one in. So this is a very interesting story, and from this story we are going to get a lots of values. So let's see. Odd one in. How was the first day of school? Asked mother as Rima sat down for dinner. So Rima is one girl in this story. So let's see the story of Rima, Malti and her friends. So, how was the first day of school? Asked mother as Rima sat down for dinner. Means mother asked Rima that how was the first day of your school? Did you enjoy your day? See, whenever we also go home, our parents also ask us, how was your first day? Then Rima replied, okay. Rima shrugged. No lessons, just settling in. Means how did Rima reply? That the day was okay. Rima shrugged. So, what means shrugged? Shrugged means just shrugged means moving your shoulders up and down to show indifference. There was no lessons and there was nothing today. It was just settling in. Settling in means just setting up your lessons, means just setting up something, right? Like introduction or any other things. Any new girl in your class? Inquired her father, Mr. Sen. So her father inquired. Inquired means he asked her that is there any new girl in your class? Only one, Malti. She and she is funny. Grimst. Rima has as Rima. Sorry, only one, Malti, and she is funny, replied Rima. Grimaced Rima as she helped herself to the salad. Grimaced means what? Grimaced means to make a facial expression to show dislike. What did Rima reply? That there only one girl is new. That is Malti. She is funny. And Rima grimaced. So we can understand that Rima did not like her. She told her parents that Malti was funny one, and I didn't like her much. Why do you say that? Asked Mr. Sen. So why did you say that? Helped herself means what? She served herself. What did she did? She served herself with a salad. Why did you say that? Asked Mr. Sen. Mr. Sen asked her, why did you say Malti funny? She can't speak much English. She has come from another state, sniffed Rima, naming one at the other end of the country. Mr. Sen asked her, why did you say her funny? Then Rima replied that she is very different girl. She don't know how to speak English and she sniffed. She sniffed. Rima sniffed means she again showed dislike. She again showed dislike that she did not like Malti at all because she is not able to speak English and she is from another state. She told one name of the state. Oh, children from that state are supposed to be clever. They are especially good at maths, said Mr. Sen quietly. What did Mr. Sen told Rima? That children from that state are very clever. They are very intelligent. They are very intelligent, especially they are intelligent in maths. Then why are you saying her like this? Why are you not liking her? Why you dislike her? Well, this one does not seem smart at all. Oily hair, bindi and all, replied Rima. And what did Rima told? That she is not smart. I think she is not smart. Rima thought that she is not seem to be smart. She is not seem to be smart at all. She is having oily hair, bindi and all the attire is very different. Good morning, teacher, mimicked Rima. What did Rima did? Mimicked. Mimic means acting, doing action of someone's voice or copying someone's voice. What did Rima told to Mr. Sen? That her attire is not good. her English is not good. How she is wishing her teacher, good morning teacher. Her parents exchanged glances means looked at each other and gave out an silent message by their expressions. Rima was their only child. They doted on her, but she could be insufferable at times. Means they exchanged their glance means Rima's mother and father looked at each other and gave some silent message by their expressions. Rima was their only one child, means Rima was not having any brother, any sister. She was a single child, and they doted on her. Doted on her means they loved her a lot. Doted on her means what? Loved her a lot. But she could be insufferable at some times. Being insufferable means what? Being unbearable. Being her, sometimes her behavior is unbearable, which cannot be tolerated by someone. I do hope you and your friends will not make things too difficult for Marty, cited Mr. Sane as he rose from the table. Mr. Sane got up from the table, and what did he told Marty? That I hope you and your friends, means you and your friends will not make things difficult for Marty, means you and your friends will not trouble Marty, you and your friends will not tease Marty, you will help her to make up things, to learn things, because she is new in the school. So Mr. Sane asked Rima to help her and not to trouble her. Cited means what? Speaking in or showing sorrowness. Next morning, Rima and her gang had decided to do just that. Means Rima and her gang decided. Gang means what? Group of friends. Rima and her gang decided to trouble Marty. Next morning, the minute Marty entered the class, they all chorused, good morning. Means next morning when Marty came, what they chorused? That chorused means what? In one voice. What they speak in one voice? Good morning. They acted as the Marty did. Poor Malti, she did not realize that they were making fun of her. She beamed back at them and replied, good morning. Means that Malti, she was she was very poor child. Poor means what? She was innocent one. She beamed back at them and replied, good morning. Beamed back means she smiled back. Shehnaz giggled. Shehnaz is one of the friend of Rima's gang, one of the person from the Rima's gang. Why do you put so much oil on your head? She asked rudely. Rudely means in very bad, what we can say, in very bad words or in very bad sound. She asked her that why do you put so much of oil on your hair? Malti looked offended but did not reply. Malti became very sad. Offended means she became sad. She became very upset that how rude Shehnaz is asking me. And what means giggled? Giggled means to laugh. And the skirt so long, said Catily. Catily means in a so Clary asked Marty that the skirt so long means your skirt is so long. Marty flushed. She was about to say something when teacher entered. Marty flushed means what? She became very sad. What means flushed here? She became very sad. And she was about to say something, means she was going to reply Rima and her friends. No, Shehnaz, Clary and all the gang. But as soon as she would speak something, teacher entered in the class. So she stopped herself there. As the class progressed, everyone was surprised to see Malti raise a hand whenever teacher asked a question. When the class progressed, Class progress means study started, or the class started, or the portion, or the teaching started. Everyone was surprised to see Malti, that whenever teacher asks a question, Malti used to raise her hand. Raise her hand means to show that she knows the answer. We all raise our hand whenever a teacher asks. We all raise our hands so that teacher will ask us a answer. Raising our hands means to show teacher or to pretend teacher that you know the answer. Yes, Malti, you answer, said teacher. Malti answered correctly and the teacher nodded in appreciation. Means Malti answered all the questions correctly. And teacher, what did teacher did? Teacher appreciated her. Nodded in appreciation means teacher appreciated, said her good. When Rima encountered this at home, her mother said, "Sounds like a clever girl." Means when Rima returned home, she told the story, the whole story, that how Malti answered all the questions. What her mother said, that Malti is very clever girl. "What is the use?" said Rima uncharitably. "Her English is so atrocious." Uncharitably means not liking it. Rima did not like that her mother is appreciating Malti. She said her English is atrocious. Atrocious means not good. It's very different. The same may be said of your Hindi, countered Mr. Sen sharply. Means Mr. Sen said that your Hindi is also not too good. So countered Mr. Sen sharply. Sharply means angrily. He was getting quite sick of Rima's attitude. Means he was getting irritated of Rima's attitude. Even Mrs. Sen did not like it. The night Rima's parents discussed the matter, "We put Rima into a good school to make her a smart and confident, and I'm afraid she is turning to be a little bit snob," said Mr. Sen sadly. So when Mrs. Sen also did not like Rima's attitude, the night her parents discussed that we had put Rima into a good school. We all come to school to learn good things, good values, but Rima is becoming she is becoming a snob. Snob means a person who don't like people, or a person who don't like to make new friends. So Mr. Sen became very sad. Mr. and Mrs. Sen, they became very sad, or because Rima is being a snob child. Snob means what? A person who don't like to make friends.